I've told you this thing before. Master P Building Construction is the best in all kinds of building materials. They deal majorly in building construction materials. Can reach them.
Boss, well done. Boss, I beg, if they go the nearest junction where they can follow you come out.
You see, now so poor people they do. Even if I dey go there because of you, I will not go there again.
Slow verse.
Hey, my brother, Master P is the best in the world.
I've told him, he said I should get out.
Let me go and try.
Always reach them on their WhatsApp.
Sir.
Hold on, my brother.
Sir, please, I'm stranded. I want to know, can you please drop me at the nearest junction?
No. You don't have to say it all. You don't have to say it all. Even if I'm not going your way, I will drop you, a beautiful girl.
Thank you, sir. Continue. Can you open your boot? Let me put my luggage.
Oh, you call luggages?
Yeah.
Why do you put this up?
Thank you, sir.
We are not informed too.
Beautiful girl.
Yeah.
Wow! Beautiful damsel. There's so much in doubt. How can you be stranded?
You got me
Welcome.
You got me
More music on trendybeats.com.
I can no more pretend.
This is Joshua, right? Yeah, it's okay. Why are you now? Wow.
Swear you go like me.
Welcome.
Cannot be
Wow, beautiful girl. Yeah, it's okay now.
Sir, thank you. I don't know you're this nice.
Wow, I'm a gentleman.
Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah, look at this.
Yes.
Wow. No, don't worry, beautiful girl. I can do that. I'm a gentleman.
Idiot. Wetin man do, man? Help your fellow man, you no go agree. Nonsense. Baby, let's go, Joe. Yeah!